Please repeat after me. I,
Nangolo Mbumba,
do hereby swear that I will strive to the best of my ability to uphold,
that I will strive to the best of my ability to uphold,
protect and defend as the supreme law the Constitution of the Republic of Namibia,
as the supreme law of the Constitution of the Republic of Namibia,
and faithfully to obey, execute, and administer the laws of the Republic of Namibia,
that
I will protect the independence, sovereignty, territorial integrity, and the material and spiritual resources of the Republic of Namibia,
and
that I will endeavor to the best of my ability,
and I will endeavor to the best of my ability
to ensure justice for all the inhabitants of the Republic of Namibia.
To ensure justice for all inhabitants of the Republic of Namibia.
Please raise your right hand and say, "So help me God."
So help me God.
Thank you.
It is now my honor to call upon His Excellency the President Nangolo Mbumba to make a short statement of acceptance.